Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 18th of January. The euro gained against the US dollar after positive news from Spain that their borrowing costs have declined, which is a sign of European recovery. In other news, China released better than expected GDP growth data at 7.9%. A growth in the Chinese economy puts pressure on commodities and especially oil and metals. A stronger Chinese economy, though, can have currency implications with its trading partners. The US dollar has substantially gained against the Japanese yen in yesterday's session. The yen has continued to slide following the new Japanese government's position to improve Japanese competitiveness. The US 500, which tracks the SPI, has broken out of the 1456 to 1468 range in which it has been trading since Monday. Moving by stronger earnings of its even stronger constituents, it has broken its resistance and is now seen moving to higher ground. WTI crude oil has moved higher, breaking above its pennant formation. It is currently at 95.50 and higher levels may be attained if Chinese fundamentals continue. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 133.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 133.30. The dollar-yen pivot points at 89.35 with a preference to enter into long positions at 89.35. The Aussie-dollar pivot points at 104.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 104.90. The sterling-dollar pivot points at 160.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 160.40. And the dollar-CAD pivot points at 0.9885 with a preference to enter in short positions at 0.9885. Looking at commodities and indices, the oil pivot points at 94.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 94.60. The gold pivot points at 1683 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1683. The silver pivot points at 31.05 with a preference to enter into long positions at 31.05. The US 500 is at 1469 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1469. And the UK 100 is at 60.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 60.70. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers in the UK. We have the retail sales month-on-month forecast to rise by 0.2%. In Canada, we have the manufacturing sales month-on-month forecast to rise by 0.9%. And in the US, we have the consumer sentiment expected at 75.1. And an interesting pair today is the gold dollar. Gold has seen some volatile trading in yesterday's session against the US dollar. The precious metal is now back testing resistance levels at around 1697 after it's been falling abruptly following positive housing starts and jobless claims from the US. The drop didn't last long as Philadelphia manufacturing disappointed, hinting at slower US growth. Thank you for watching our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.